In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a GitHub project on Netlify. This process is smooth and straightforward, but having a clear understanding of each step can really make a difference. So let's dive in and make this as simple and efficient as possible for you. First, we need to ensure your project is properly nestled within a GitHub repository. If it's not already there, you'll want to push it. To do this, open up your terminal or command line interface and navigate to your project directory. Once you're there, you'll start by staging all your changes using the git add command. Next, commit these changes with a meaningful message like ready for deployment by using git commit m ready for deployment. This message helps keep track of what each commit entails, especially when multiple people are working on the same project. Lastly, you'll push your committed changes to the main branch with git push origin main. And there you have it. Your project is now on GitHub and ready for the next steps. Now that your project is on GitHub, the next crucial step is creating an account on Netlify if you don't have one yet. Head over to the Netlify website. You'll be greeted with options to either sign up or log in. A handy tip here is that you can streamline the process by using your GitHub account for smooth integration, especially since we're dealing with a project hosted on GitHub. After logging into Netlify, it's time to connect your GitHub account to Netlify to facilitate deployment. Once you're on your Netlify dashboard, you'll want to kick off this next phase by clicking on Add New Site and then selecting Import an Existing Project. From the options provided, choose GitHub. Netlify will prompt you to authorize access to your GitHub repositories. This step is crucial as it allows Netlify to clone your repository for deployment. After authorizing, select the specific repository you wish to deploy. With your repository selected, the next task is to configure your build settings. Typically, Netlify is quite adept at automatically detecting the framework your project is using, which simplifies things considerably. However, in the event that it doesn't, you'll need to input the settings manually. If you're using React with Vite, for example, your build command should be npm run build with a published directory set to dist. For React using Create React App, it's the same build command, but the published directory is build. Vue users will stick with npm run build and dist. If you're working with Next.js, the settings are usually auto-detected, relieving you of configuration worries. Finally, with everything configured properly, you can proceed to deploy your site by clicking on Deploy Site. Netlify will take it from here, cloning your GitHub repository, installing needed dependencies, executing the build command, and ultimately publishing your site live on the internet. And there you go, the journey from GitHub to a live site on Netlify. I hope this guide has made the process clear and manageable for you. Thanks for watching, and happy deploying.